As we know, Jenkins is the most used automation tools. In this video, I'm going to install Jenkins because in the future we are going to use Jenkins for a lot of labs, a lot of videos. So let's start. In this file, I already have all the commands that I'm going to use to install Jenkins. So this is the document I am create. I already create the document to execute all the commands that we will need to install Jenkins. If you already watch my videos, you will know that I always use Centos7 Amazon Linux for all my labs. So this installation will be on Centos7 Amazon Linux AMI2. Let's go. This will be simple. I will just copy the comments that I already have in my documents and pass it in the terminal and execute them. So this document, I will put it for you in the description of my videos. Okay, let's go with the first command, which is update my repository. Sudo yum update -i. Okay, so we're done with the update. Let's go now with the to download the Jenkins repository and start with the installation. Okay, so first we copy that, pass it to the terminal. Oh, sorry, because I just copied the spot. So let's go and remove that spot. Okay, we're done. Let's go with the next. We import the key. Key imported. So now we are going to install the dependencies. So the dependencies is the Java SDK, JDK. We copy that command and pass it to the terminal. Say yes. The JDK is fully installed. Now we are going to install Jenkins. Yum install Jenkins. Yes. Installation complete. We are going to reload the daemon. Daemon reloaded. Now we are going to check the Java version. We didn't install the Java because actually this is in Amazon Linux. We have to copy this command, right? So let's copy this command and pass it. So this is the correct command to install Java on Amazon Linux. Yes. Okay, so Java installation is complete. So now let's execute the Java version. Now we have the Java. So now let's check the Jenkins. We already enabled Jenkins service. Let's go now and start the service to see if everything is going to be successful. Okay, so now let's check if the service is up. We can use the same command with the up arrow, and we go to start and replace that by status. Okay, so Jenkins is working successfully. So the first part of the video is done. So let's move with the next step, which is the unlock Jenkins. Actually, the we can check in which part Jenkins is listening. Let's do net start hyphen ntulp. We put pipe grep tcp. Okay, so as we can see, we have 8080, which is the Java ports. So this is where Jenkins is actually listening. So let's go to AWS and check our public IP address and pass that public IP address in the browser. Okay, we go there and put http dot dot. Okay, we put our IP address. We put 8080. Let's wait. Okay, so this look like a timeout because this should be fast. Let's go to AWS and check our security group. We go to security groups. As we can see, we don't have any 8080 ports. Let's modify our security group and add a new security rule. We go to inbound rules. Let's go down. Let's go to add rule. This is a custom TCP. The port is 8080 to the public. So testing only, because we should not expose this port. Okay, and now let's go back to our browser and check again. There we go. You can see signing to Jenkins. So as you can see, to unlock Jenkins, it gives us this path where we can go and check it. Let's go. We copy this and pass it to, we do a cat and we pass it to our terminal. So actually this is our password. We copy that password. Let's copy that password and go back to the browser. Go back to the browser and pass it. Continue. Okay, so we have two options there. We can install the suggest plugin, or we can select the plugin to install. But actually, let's go with the install suggest plugins. We click on it and it will install all the plugins that we need. Actually, I'm going to pause the video and I will back with all those things fully installed. After the installation is done, it will ask for create our first admin user. So let's create a user. So the username, let's put Clifford, and I'm going to put a password. Oh, let's okay, this is our password. Do we have anything else to install? To put Clifford, and we save and continue. Okay, so it asks for the Jenkins configuration. So this is our Jenkins URL. We can save and finish. There we go. We have Jenkins is ready. Let's start using Jenkins. Okay, so guys, this is our dashboard. This is our Jenkins dashboard where we are going to play. We are going to do a lot of automation things that we are going to implement, like pipelines to create resources. But most of the labs that I'm going to do, actually I'm going to start, it's based on AWS, where I'm going to use Jenkins to build infrastructure, to build things inside AWS web services. uh, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, because we have a lot of great videos, very interesting videos about Jenkins, DevOps, all those things that is coming up. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.